In this video, I'm going to show you how to fast travel in Crimson Desert. Now, how you can fast travel is across what are called Abyss Nexus points that are scattered all throughout Pywell. So on your map, you'll be able to find these Abyss Nexus points to use to teleport. Now, first you need to locate them and step on them for a few seconds in order to unlock them. How you locate them on the map is by finding these question mark areas that are labeled as mysterious energy. And then using your sword and reflective light, you'll be able to find the shimmering spots that are pointing to Abyss Nexus. Now, one thing to be careful for when looking at the map is that it only shows up if you're looking at all or environmental. So if you're looking at quests or factions, you will not see the Abyss Nexus points. And then also, when you're looking at the map and look at the Abyss Islands, there are also Abyss Nexus fast travel points on those islands. And once you've unlocked it, you select it, and you select teleport, and you will fast travel to that location. So that's how you can fast travel in Crimson Desert. Hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for tuning in.